Revellers in the town of Lures in southern England each year celebrate Bonfire Night with spectacular parades and fireworks displays. The Bonfire Night celebrations mark the failure of a plot by Catholic conspirators in 1605 to kill King James I and blow up Parliament. People set off fireworks and burn effigies of the conspirator Guy Fawkes, who was discovered with barrels of gunpowder under the Houses of Parliament. Around 50,000 people attend the event, watching the 5 fireworks societies parade around the town. Each of the societies also march to the War Memorial on the main street to mark Remembrance Day. In Lures, the inhabitants take the celebrations more seriously, remembering 17 Protestants that were burned at the stake in the town in 1557. These martyrs are commemorated with 17 burning crosses carried by the Cliffey Bonfire Society. The Cliffey Bonfire Society begins the march in their Viking costumes while carrying No Popery banners. Following the march, society members carried on the tradition of racing tar-filled barrels to the town bridge. The society members, or bonfire boys, parade around the town centre for around 3 hours. Many are dressed in the Bonfire Boys' traditional striped tops, whilst others were to be seen in fancy dress, including members of the Borough Society who were dressed as Zulu warriors. The societies are all fiercely competitive about creating the most impressive show. Each society prepares a tableau and effigies of topical figures that are paraded through the town. Anti-war effigies of US President George W. Bush were seen alongside the traditional Guy Fawkes. The Lures celebrations date back to 1679, when an effigy of the Pope was burnt on a bonfire after false allegations of a plot. This reflected the still bitter divisions between Catholics and Protestants at that time. After parading through the streets, the societies each head for their own bonfire sites to watch their fireworks, making for spectacular displays across the town. But before the displays begin, society members dressed as Catholic clergymen stand on a platform and have fireworks thrown at them. The modern celebrations with parades and competing bonfire societies date back to the mid-19th century. Only 2 world wars, an outbreak of typhoid in 1874 and floods in 1960 have caused postponement of the event. Even the floods in October 2000, which saw much of the town underwater, failed to scupper the fun.